Hello my fellow scratchers, in this video we will find the median of the list of number entered by a user. So before building the code, let me show you how this works. So first, as you can see, it asks me a number. Let's see, we enter the number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Now click median. Now the median is 6.5. It can also find the median when the length of your list numbers is odd. So let's do it. So I will enter the number 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Now as you can see, the length of our list is 5. Click the median button. As you can see, it tells you the number 7, which is in the middle of these two. Now let's get into the coding. As you can see guys, I have loaded a project from my computer. Now if you want to learn about this, then check out my video of Scratch Ascending and Descending Order part 1 and 2. For now, we'll just find the median. So first, let's name our project median. Now create a variable named median. And we will set the median initially to 0. Now go to the events category and drag the broadcast block here. And we will broadcast the message find median. Now go to the button to sprite and go to the costumes tab. Now double click the arrange button and we will change the text of the arrange to median. Now let's name this sprite median. Now drag the when I receive block here and select the find median option. Now go to the controls category and drag the if then else block beneath the find median. Now first we will check that the median is divisible by 2 or not. So drag an equals to sign here and drag the mod sign in this hole. Now we will go to the variables category and we will check the length of the ascending order list and check it that it is divisible by 2 or not. So we will set this value to 2 and this value to 0. Now let's start with the odd section. So we will set the median to item, length of your list plus 1 divided by 2. So the length of the ascending order is 5, then it will select the item 3. Now let's run our program. We will enter numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the length of our list is 5. Now click the median button. As you can see, it is in the middle of these two numbers, so the median is now 3. But it won't work in even numbers. So let's do it. So first, duplicate this part and just separate plus operator block from here. Now drag this at the top of it. Now guys, we will duplicate this part and this time we will divide the length of ascending order list with 2 and then add it by 1. Now drag this whole thing inside the set median to block. Now I will drag this whole block here. Now at the end of our script, we will divide the median variable by 2. Now let's extend the stage area and drag this median variable here. Now before running a program, let me explain how this works. So first, it will select the top middle item of the ascending order list, then it will select the bottom middle item of the ascending order list, and then it will divide the value by 2. Now, now guys, I forgot to add the median. So drag an addition block here and also drag this median variable right here. Now again drag this whole thing here. So it will add these two and then it will divide it by 2. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, first it asks me to enter the numbers. So for example, I enter the numbers 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now let's click median. As you can see guys, it tells you the median 2.5, which is the correct value, because when we add 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5, and then we divide it by 2, it gives us the value 2.5. Now it also accepts negative integers. So for example, I enter the numbers negative 77, negative 55, 2, 0 and negative 87. Now I'll click the median button. As you can see guys, it tells you the median negative 55. Now let's make the number of entries inside the your number list to even. So let's say we enter the numbers negative 99, negative 76, 0 and negative 1. As you can see guys, now the number of entries inside the your number list is even. Now let's click the median button. As you can see guys, it tells me the correct median value. Now it also accepts decimal numbers. So for example, I enter the numbers 9.45, 0.78, 1.99 and 1.97. Now let's click the median button. As you can see guys, it tells you the correct median value. And so this was our median program. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn about the algorithm of arranging the list in ascending order, the actual script, variables and list initialization and the complete logic, then check out my video of Scratch Ascending and Descending Order List Part 1. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.